come on.
English to high badi haite be odu Manipur da high be arodra.
English hai ke nang Manipur de answer to yai ko.
Hello.
She might she go. She saw something like live.
Basant ko rong ne. Basant to. Tarsen. Basant ko rong ne. Nang wena to lo. Nang ne khara khang nge ma di a hau hau ko del le ni ko. Ba no ni ka khang ti. Nang wena to lo ba. Nó tiền nước tàu ba. Interview to.
English call with English call with
It's okay, it's okay.
Ozani ma ozani.
No. Let's speak in Manipuri.
We'll do it in English. Good evening, everyone. I'm with the team coach and the captain of AIM. Very good game. In the end, it was a very narrow victory for AIM. Overall, happy with the results. And was it a good game to start off defending the SHIRUI Lily title that you are currently champions of? Was it a good game? Game ito kitang analyze to ko
Game means what?
football match too.
Means our player playing very hard, no? And most of the players not experienced.
Okay.
Okay, some player for the M club they are going to the
Santos Trophy.
Yeah, and some other state. Okay, but my player they are playing very hard and very. I'm 65. I'm very 65 for their playing. That's all.
So a few missed chances here and there. Are you concerned about that in the next game, or do you think your players will step up and score, bury the chances they get in the next game?
Yeah, because the ground is not suitable for the player. Okay, next base we are not. We just.
Yes, it was the first time. So with experience, in the next game you'll get better.
Yes.
Anyway, congratulations on the win. All the best defending the title.
Okay, thank you very much.
All the best for the next match.